There is Gargi. This is training day 1. I can't believe that this is day 1. She is driving on 25 kilometers per hour. And this is just awesome. Keep going. Keep going. Pass off. Go. Don't stop. Go. Go. And maybe stop there a little. Yeah. The next pole. Yes. Now switch off the whole vehicle. Saddle the horse. Start it. And go. And go. Go at 30 kilometers per hour all the way. Till wherever you went. Till I ask you to. I'll yell to stop. I'll yell. Keep going. Keep going faster. Till the mud pile. Go till the mud pile. And do the same thing again. Go all the way. Go. Stop at the mud pile and turn back. Fantastic. Gargi doing the U-turn as well. She has, I think, mastered this also. Come on. Faster. 35 and wave. 35 and U-turn. I want to see a U-turn. Do it here only. Do it here. Come back. I can see the SAS crown. That's like the tallest tower in South India. So this is the Gargi's playground, if you will. There she is. The U-turn. Keep going. Take it to 38 now. 30 or 35. Take it to 35. Excellent, sweetheart. Take a left all the way.
The sludge dried up.
Yeah, it's dried up, right? So you're doing pretty well. Take a left. Yeah. Good job. You could have avoided that mud pile, okay? Because it will slip. Understand?
Yeah.
Faster. What was the lesson I told you?
Slowly I'm going.
27. 30 is equal to 27 on a incline. Good. What is the meter showing?
33.
So don't do that much also. Now you are a little faster. Go a little slower. Maintain a steady balance. Excellent. Good one. See? You are already driving on a main road. No, don't get confused. We can do it actually. Slow down a bit. Now you have taken so many U-turns, right? Can't you do this?
Yeah.
Can't you do this? Slow down a bit. Yeah, now go left. Be on the line. There is our Gandipet. Excellent. That's it. Keep on going.